Akron Police and Fire, Tech 170.
Yes. Hello. I'm sorry. Yes. Well, not a long story, but I did a report of thefts.
Okay. What's the address where you need police?
Ira Avenue, Akron, Ohio, 44301.
What is your name? What is your phone number?
330.
What was stolen?
My car. Well, my son, he has a mental problem, and he stole all my credit cards about the 14th of February, last Friday, and he disappeared until now. He just come here home here. Well, he's been staying with me about a week, but he actually lives in Cincinnati with his mom.
Okay.
And so he just came here. It's the first time seeing him. He took my credit cards and ran off last Friday. He just come in here half an hour ago. And I don't know, he's in some kind of stage. But I tried to talk to him. And I didn't have my clothes on, so I went in the bedroom and put the clothes on. While I went in the bedroom and put the clothes on, he ran out. He ran there and got my keys to my car and took off.
How long ago did he do that?
15 minutes.
What kind of car?
It's a 2020 Camry Toyota. It's actually pearl, but it looks white.
Do you happen to know the plate?
The license plate, it's a vanity plate, and it's LENBOY.
L as in Lincoln, E as in Edward, N as in Nancy, BOY?
Yes, Lynn Boy.
All right. Any idea of where he's headed?
No. He just come in here, and I was in the bed. I got up, and I asked him, where you been? And he said, Columbus. And I said, Columbus, why you go to Columbus? And he said, casino, which all of a sudden he ain't no casino person, really. And then I looked out the window and asked him, well, where's your car at? He said, it's in Columbus. I said, well, you done rented a car? He got a black Toyota, look like, a little Toyota. I can't think the name of it now. Black, it's parked out here in front of the house. And I said, you rented that car? And he said, yeah. I said, well, where's your car? In Columbus, he said. And I said, you rented that car, you rented with my credit cards, huh? He said, yeah. So I stopped to talk to him, went in the bedroom, put on my, pajamas. And while I was in there doing that, I heard the door shut. I got my gentleman come out, and he was driving. I had my car blocked in the driveway with my van. So, but he's able to back up and cut across the yard.
Okay. Well, I'm going to get police out to you as soon as possible, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Chase. We're going to be north on Lakeshore.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Okay.
Shots fired, he just took 2 shots at us. Use caution.
Alright, that car just still going. He's going to be making an eastbound turn onto eastbound turn onto Ira.
All car, stand by.
right, he's got a gun in his hand. He's right in front of the house. All right, it's a 21. He's shooting. He's gonna be taking off running.
He just took 3 more shots at us. He's on foot. Brown leather jacket, hands in.
You got a rifle? You got a rifle?
No. He's running eastbound. Oh no, Ira.
All right, stay. I'm coming back. Get. Hey, anybody with a rifle, get up here. Rifle, get up here.
Drop the gun, buddy. Drop the gun, buddy.
All right, he...
Police shots fired. He's down. Show signal 21. He's down. Right in front of the cruiser.
Go around that way. I would go far.
Get in this. Let's just move this. Or I'll get in.
I would go around, come at him.
Get behind the car.
All right, moving up on him. No movement.
How's that? Is that good? Right
Yeah.
there's good. Right there's good.
Right there. Stop right there. Watch. Hey, look up, look up.
Stay down.
Get down.
Drop the fucking gun.
Drop the gun. Hold the chair. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Hands. Charge your hands. Now.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Hands up.
Hands up.
Put your fucking
He still has a fucking gun. Still in his hand.
Drop the gun.
Start EMS. He's still moving. Still armed.
Watch your left hand. Still looks like a gun's his left hand. Drop the fucking gun.
Get a shield up here now.
Watch the crossfire.
Just aim for EMS approach.
Hey, sir, back up. Get back inside. Back inside. Back inside. Yeah, he just shot at us. Get back inside. Go back inside.
We'll be with you when we can, sir.
You want to just move up on it?
I got him glove up.
Does he shake his hand?
Can you see it?
You stay. We got your cover. Everybody else move. We got your cover.
Leave it. Okay, just drag him
Just
away.
pull him away.
Drag him away from it. So he's got an aid bag. Throw some pressure. Just throw some pressure.
Slow down. It's safe for you.
Throw some pressure. Get EMS up here.
Now. Units stuck in the road. Move for EMS.
We got it too. We got a bag. A medic bag.
Have
EMS, get here up here now.
Get medic bag.
Yeah. Pressure on that one. Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody's good.
You need to do CPR?
I don't feel 22. I don't feel 12 at all.
Okay, at least keep doing CPR.
Show your hands! Now! Put your hands out! Put your hands out! Hands up! Hands up! I think put your fucking hands out! Hands up now! Hands up! Drop the gun! Let's start EMS. He's still moving, still armed. Start EMS. Somebody with a shield. Rope it! Stop the fucking gun! Hey, we need a shield up here now. Watch the truck, man. Hey. No. Negative. Hey, sir, back up! Get back inside! Back inside! Back inside! Yeah, he's inside us! Get back inside! Go in the house, sir, please! We'll get with you! We'll be with you when we can, sir!
Yeah, let's move up. Let me get some gloves on.
I got him, glove up. I'm with you.
Take your stand.
Can you see it?
You stay. We got your cover.
It looks like he's got a...
We got your cover. Where's the gun?
Right there.
Leave it.
Well, just drag him away from it. Drag him away from it. Who's got an 8-bag?
Throw some pressure.
Units,
Throw some pressure.
slow down. It's safe for EMS to approach.
Get EMS up here.
Have them approach now. Units, if you're blocking the road, move for EMS.
We got it too. We got a bag? A medic bag?
Where'd you hit at?
No movement.
How's that? Is that good? Right there is good. Right there is good.
Right there. Stop right there. Stop right there. Watch. Hey, look up, look up.
Get down. Get down.
Drop the fucking gun.
Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun.
Hands! Charge your hands!
Now.
Put your hands out! Put your
Hands up.
Hands up! Hands up!
I think it's...
Put your fucking hands out!
Hands up now.
Hands up!
Drop the gun. Let's start slinking. Drop the gun. Drop it. He ain't moving. Move up.
Get a shield up here now. Is it safe for EMS approach?
Yeah.
No.
Back up.
I have a shield.
Get back.
We'll be with you when we can, sir.
Yeah, let's move up. Let me get some gloves on.
I got him, glove up.
I got gloves. No.
Stay. We got your cover.
Okay.
Everybody else, we got your cover.
Where's it going? There. Leave it.
Well, okay, just drag him away from it. Drag him away from it. He's got an 8-bag.
Throw some pressure. Just throw some pressure.
Slow down.
Throw some pressure. Get EMS up here. Check.
Now. Units
Units
in the road.
move for EMS.
We got it too. We got a bag? A medic bag?
Have EMS
We need EMS get here up near now.
Get medic bag.
Yeah, put pressure on that one. Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody's good.
You need to do CPR?
I don't feel.
22.
I don't feel a pulse at all.
Okay, at least keep doing CPR.